Hey, good morning, my friend. If you are doing affiliate marketing and online business and you are not generating a lot of results from the years because so many people are struggling to making money to online field, but they are not able to generate a lot of money. So I have because I am the affiliate marketing coach and online business coach, and I have trained tons of people to generating their first $10,000 per month and first 100K per year. So if you really want to make this kind of money, then you need to avoid those kind of mistakes. First, now, number one, you don't need to create spammy post, spammy video. You don't need to go to someone's Facebook and Instagram group. Hey, I have this product and you can just check out. No spammy kind of things. Okay, so we are going to show you the case study how you can follow proper method and how you can generate daily basis income as a treat like a business, not just income source. So you need to build the proper business. So I have created a document where we will going to share everything. Okay, so let's share with you. So you can see on here. So just very simple stuff formula to make your first 100K per year. Okay, so I know you are struggling from the year to generating tons of this kind of money. So it is very simple. So number one, just break down a simple formula to hit your first 100K per year without creating and managing your product and services. It is called affiliate marketing. You can leverage someone else's product, like you are a brand, you become a brand and leverage someone else's product and services, and they paying you around 50% to 100% commission promoting just high ticket product, not just $5 and $10 and $20 product. It is just, I'm not going to teach this kind of concept. You can generate your hard generating lead. You just send just $10 and $20 offer you can buy. No, I'm going to teach you how you can generate high ticket sell and you can make at least $500 to $3,000 just per single sale. Okay, so what you need to do, just you can see numbers never lie. So if you doing if you know a math, then any kind of number we are going to calculate and formulate, then they are never lie, never fake. Okay, so let's on here you can see number one, if you really want to make your first, if you have your own product and services, it is very good. If you don't have, you can leverage someone else's product. So if you really want to make your first $100,000 in per year, so what you need to do, if your product and commission cost is your actual cost is $500, it means if you selling your own product, it costs just $500. It means you keeping all 100% profit. If you are promoting someone else's product and your that cost is $1,000, and you may, if you're making a sale, then you got $500 profit. Then you need to generate, okay, you need to generate only around, you need to generate just 200 cell. Okay, 200 cell you will generate and you will make your first 100K per year, and you will turn within a 6 month, within a 10 months, and within some people within a 90 day. So because if you are struggling, so you are doing a lot of mistakes, so you just avoid that and you just focus on this step, because we have spent around $20,000 to learning these skills and helping affiliate marketers to become a great affiliate marketer, to promoting someone else's product and creating their own services and courses. It's very simple, easy methods. Okay, so your product cost is $500, then you need to generate only 200 leads, 200 sale, and you will make your first 100K per year. By the way, if you are learning a good skills and if you have good skills and your product and services cost, your commission cost is just $1,000. Okay, then you just need, okay, you just need only I'm just doing wrong, you just generate 100 sale. Okay, 100 sale and you will make your first 100K per year. Just 100 sale and 100K, just one sale in just one sale, $1,000 commission. It is because we are going to promote high ticket product. and within a 1 year in kind of, it's just 12 month kind of difference, and 365 days. So it is in a 3 day, during 3 days you're generating one sale, then you in 100 you will make this kind of 100 sale, and you will make your first 100 sale. It is very quite easy to use and easy to, because you need a mentor, you need a guidance who guide every single day, because so many people are providing courses and they are not giving you any kind of support. Okay, and number 3, if your product and services cost is that your $2,000, then you need to generate only just, okay, only just 50 sale. In 50 sale you will make your first $1,000, your first 100k, sorry, your first 100k. So it is kind of number which is really, it's a genuine, it's a number never lie. So how you can generate this kind of income? Because in the marketplace 90% training and consulting are fake. So I will show you the very simple step process where you can follow and get and achieve your goals. Okay, so we have documented all those things. So if you want to generate this kind of result, then you need to follow simple 4 steps. Number 1, find a high converting, result driven, high ticket product. So many newbie affiliate marketers and online marketers who don't have any product and services, they are choosing product which is not producing result for their customers or their client. For example, if someone selling a course about how you can swim, how you can learn swimming, and he don't know about swimming and he teaches swimming, because so how you can believe that course producing result to your customers? If customer buy the product and going to learn swimming, just watching the video and end up shallow water and just everything is over. So don't choose a wrong product, just choose a right product which is currently generating a lot of result for the customers. So once you promoting the customers to in front of your audience, then your audience love that product, and they will buy again and again from you, and they will huge respect you, they will give you huge testimonial and everything. It is quite expensive and premium kind of things, but once you learn, then you will understand the power of testimonials, power of branding, power of respect essence which you got from your loyal customers if you selecting a great result driven high ticket product. Okay, so number 1 thing. And number 2 is that, number 2, create free gift and related, build a funnel related that product and services. For examples, if you affiliate marketing, if you're doing affiliate marketing and your niche is health niche and weight loss niche, then and based load niche, and someone creating a big product, it is cost $2,000. And if you're going to promote someone, say I have a good product, you can buy now. No, anyone can buy you. If you are doing affiliate marketing, then you need to understand, once people trust you, people know you, people believe you in your skills, then they will buy anything from you. So what you need to do, just see the what kind of product you want to going to promote with your customers. You need to create little bit a simple course, little bit a simple 1 or 2 hour a video course. Like if you going to promote just 90-day yoga training program, it is cost $2,000. Then you can create a very simple 5 videos about how you can change your morning routine to lose 5 BL weight very easily. So in this course, you will give the conclusions of your high ticket courses, every single lesson what you get, and just share some your tips and trainings inside the course. It is a free training. After then, once you create everything, then you can provide to your customers for free of cost. Just give you a test, give you a sample to your high ticket product is very limited, very low low product. Okay. And second and third thing is that once your product is done, and then you can generate traffic and leads from that. For example, if your funnel is ready and your free course is ready, and you have selected high ticket product in the backend, then what you need to do, go to the social media and create viral content. If you don't know about how you can use a paid ads, then go to TikTok and Facebook and Instagram and YouTube. And you know the currently world changing very fastly, and a lot of consumers consuming a short content. So you can create a short content, just 1 minute content about weight loss, about if you need to make money online, just creating a make money online short, very little short video. And in the end of the video, you can offer your free training and free everything. Okay, free training, and put your link in the bio. And once your audience love your content, and they will going to click the bio, and where they will redirect to your opt-in page, and you can generate the lead, and lead automatically will convert to the sale. Step number 4 is that automation and communication with your audience, because you need to connect every single day, every single time if they are getting any problem. Okay, so we are going to share with you. You can see step number 4 is automation and communication. So if you are facing a problem with creating automation and communication, then we are providing everything on a step by step inside my private training call. Okay, so me and my friend creating a huge depth training about how you can find a great product, create a free course and gift it, and how you can create a viral content and generate thousands of leads every single day. So my friend, we have said everything in by data. So if you want to learn everything step by step, me and my partner, so what you need to do, simply click on the link description below, and you will redirect to this page. Okay, this doc file, where in the bottom of the red button and blue button, click here to watch a free training right now and become our partner. So once you become the partner, then we will show you everything, how you can generate your $1,000 per day, your $10,000 per month, even your 100K per year without buy any other product and coaching program. Because we are not providing just a program and coach, courses. We are providing a hand holding support for a 6 month to achieving your result. We are not left you without generating result. It's a proven and guaranteed method. You will making tons of amount every single day. We are going to share how people's face following our system, and they are making huge amount of money. Okay, so we are going to open our Facebook. Okay, just stay with me, and you can see this is my this is my Facebook. So he's my partner, and you can see he made 100K just 30 days. It is huge amount, and you can see what he say about, just you can read this 100K in 30 days as a 25-year-old in just note. I cannot believe it is actually happened. This happened because of 3 times. So me and my partner called Philip Johnson show you everything step by step. You can see not one person, you can see a lot of person, just $2,000. You can see on here so many. You can see congratulations to Jan Banner, and they are making $2,400, and you can see Kim making 1,000, and most of the, and you can see making just 2,500 per day, and 25. So many, you can see a lot of people making huge kind of money, and it is every single day 10. And you can see the great student, because she making more than $10,000 in just per day. Okay, and you can see. So if you want to learn everything, we have the drop down link below. So don't, because it is just a very limited time offer, because we are going to close one-on-one training. So don't forget and become our partner and we will give you full training. So first of all, thank you so much for watching this amazing training video. Thank you.